we're focused on trying to bring the bigger digital assets to the marketplace through ETFs. And so we now have Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and XRP. And that covers about 80% of the total aggregate market cap of digital assets that are out there. And so this is about bringing to market to investors through an ETF that they can hold in their brokerage accounts, digital assets that are obviously the most relevant from an investment perspective. And that's, no different than a market cap weighted index, which would do very much the same thing, kind of give you the biggest stocks in a particular stock market. So that was certainly the impetus for why Solana next. As you mentioned, we launched Bitcoin and Ether in 2021. So it had been a while. And that was as much the market conditions as it was, again, trying to continue to work with our regulators here in Canada to be able to bring these products into ETF format. It may sound easy, but it's certainly not easy to get approvals. We follow the news in other jurisdictions as well, obviously the US principally being the one that we're interested in outside of Canada. Canada always seems to get here first. I think we've got a very open-minded regulatory framework and regulator here in Canada, but that doesn't mean we get to have whatever we want whenever we want it. It took us 4 years from filing for Canada's first Bitcoin ETF until we were actually able to get EBIT, our Bitcoin ETF, launched in February 2021, partnering with CF Benchmarks at the time. And that was a huge success for us. And it did, as I said, it took 4 years to get there. I was very pleased that Solana only took us 3 years. So then that's, a 25% improvement on time.